When to use the present tense? We want to talk about facts, opinions, habit, and routine. What is fact? Fact is about real information. For example, we live in the city center. So the meaning of the sentence is about real information, like I am giving real information about where we live. So in this case, we use simple present. Habit is about things you like to do. He likes studying while listening to some music. That means this is his habit. This is what he likes to do, and so we use present tense. Routine is the opposite of habit, which means that it's about things you must do, whether you like them or not. For example, he has to wake up early for school. So in this case, maybe he doesn't like to wake up at school, but he has to. So in this case, we can use simple present to express the routine.